What is up guys, Julian here, the French winemaking guy who makes wine videos here on YouTube. Yes, wine videos, and this is episode number 7 of the What the Fruit Is wine video series, where we look at and explain common but sometimes mysterious for many wine terms that populate the world of wine. Today we look at what the fruit is crianza, a crianza wine. Well, crianza is essentially Spanish for wine maturation, but it applies legally more specifically to the maturation of wine in oak barrels. To be called crianza and feature the name on a label, a wine must be aged for at least 6 months in oak barrels at the winery. That's for the whole of Spain except Rioja and Ribera del Duero, that generally speaking have been making fine wines for a longer time. So they have stricter rules within their denomination of origin. In Rioja and Ribera, a crianza wine must have spent a minimum of 12 months maturing in oak barrels to be called crianza. The term is used in the context of the Spanish classification system according to the length of aging in barrel, starting with the term joven, that has no oak, which means young wine with no oak, then crianza with a short to medium length time in oak, then reserva with a decent time in oak, and gran reserva that spent a very long time in oak. But we'll detail all of those in some other videos. Until then, to make sure that you know how to pronounce crianza properly, here is how it's said in Spanish: crianza. Crianza. The Z in Spanish is pretty much like the sound of TH or the in English, so crianza, crianza. If you cannot trill the R like the Spanish do, just say crianza, crianza. If you'd like to learn more about your wine, make sure to stay tuned to the channel not to miss any of these videos, and feel free to catch up with the many wine videos that already are on my channel. I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine. Salud. Cheers. Hasta luego.